always feel like you need to entertain my class. Well, the joke's on you, Mr. Moore, if you don't figure out what to do in your life.
Mr. Moore, there are two types of dreamers in this world. Those who dream at night, they chase their dreams. And those who dream during the day, they build their dreams. Your call.
One of my superpowers that I had as a child, I wasn't the best in writing, I wasn't the best in reading. To tell you the truth, the Bible's the one that taught me how to read. But my gift was speaking. But my other gift was pattern recognizing. Pattern recognition is so important. But I didn't see that in the beginning. The one that I looked up to from pattern recognition, Martin Luther King Jr., he spoke of a dream, one where black people and every culture could live in harmony and be united by character and not by the color of their skin. What was the lesson? To extract vision. Vision. I want you to tell me, how can you take vision and implement that into your future? How can you implement vision?
I don't know.
That's okay. No. Come over here. Come over here. That's a beautiful situation. I love the honesty. Come right here. Now, we all laugh because he had his hand up. He said, I don't know. And those make the best leaders. Because he had his hand up. He said, I may not know, but I'm tired of being here. I'm looking for another leader who can help son in here and support him and be by his side so he's not so scared. We got him. There we go. Showtime. We got a leader right here. Come on up. Come get this work. There we go. Come get this work real quick. So, as you stand here, whatever he says may stimulate your mind, because that's how it works when you get in mastermind communities, when you get around other people who are doing something. So let's see. Same question. How can you implement vision to your life?
I don't know either.
You don't know? That's good. That's good. So we got two people who say, I don't know, but do you know what you're good at?
Yes.
What are you good at?
Basketball.
You're good at basketball. Well, you got the height. How good are you 1 through 10?
I would say 8.
You say, I love the honesty. Are you putting in the work?
Yes.
Is it something you dream about?
Yes.
Now, do you like it or do you love it?
I love it, sir.
You love it. So, would you say you're the best in your family?
Yes.
Okay, now hold on. He said he loves it. How often do you practice?
Barely, sir.
Say that one more time.
Barely.
Barely. How often are you on social media?
A lot, sir.
Okay. No. This is what I want you to see. This is what I'm trying to get you guys to see. Do you love yourself more than social media?
Yes.
Right. But what did he say he loved? Basketball. And as much as you all giggled, I'm sure you could actually see yourself in him right now. So what's the problem?
Problem is that I don't put much effort when I play.
So the thing that you say you love, your actions are not in line, right?
Yes.
And so we are having a what? A vision problem. We have two people who are honest. Show of hands, how many of you have a vision problem? Raise your hand. Be brave. I'm not going to have you come up here, but if you have a vision problem, raise your hand. We're recognizing a problem that a lot of us have. Vision. See, earlier, Martin Luther King was mentioned. And I heard people like, oh yeah, Martin Luther King. And I heard certain people like, yeah, Martin Luther King. You see, all the evidence is right there on what to do, but you're not taking it. You're not extracting it. Muhammad Ali. In an interview, Muhammad Ali was asked, what was essential to your training? And he said and replied and said, now I know you think I'm going to talk about my running and my punching. He said, it was in the dodging of nightclubs and the ladies. And he said, especially if you look like me. The lesson to extract, eliminating distractions. By show of hands, who can tell me what they need to start eliminating to make their vision come a reality? Ooh, we got some bravery people now. Come on. No. You're going to come over here. That's right. I know being a leader is like, oh man, I want to go viral. Well, here's your chance. I want to go viral. I want people to follow me. Come on. Showtime. Showtime. This ain't about me, it's about you. What distractions can you eliminate?
Like being on social media.
Whoo! Now, someone finish my statement for me, please, and this is important. Hard work beats what? So somebody say that one more time. Hard work beats what? Talent. So I'm going to have everybody say it together. Hard work beats what? Talent. And we hear about it all the time. You know what the problem is? When talent works hard, you better get out the way.
I know now that the broken version of myself helps no one. Not even myself. I'm building during the day on what I am destined to become. A hero.
Superhero motivational speaker.
Now that's amazing.